बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है व्हाट इज द पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस। तो क्या होता है? पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस इज वन ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट दैट इनेबल्स मार्केट participant to analyze and assess the performance of a portfolio with the objective of measuring performance on a relative and absolute basis along with its associated risk. इससे आगे आगे आ जाता है टूल्स यूज्ड इन पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस। होल्डिंग पीरियड रिटर्न, अर्थमेटिक मीन। तीसरा स्टेप है Sharp ratio. It calculates the excess return over and above the risk-free return per unit of portfolio risk. इसी आगे जो है alpha. It calculates the difference between the actual portfolio returns and expected returns. इससे अगला स्टेप है tracking error. It calculates the standard deviation of the excess return with respect to the benchmark date of return. इससे अगला स्टेप है इंफॉर्मेशन रेशियो. इट कैलकुलेट द सक्सेस ऑफ एक्टिव इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजर strategy by calculating excess returns and dividing it by tracking error. Information ratio formula is equal to RP minus RB over tracking error. इससे आगे आता है पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस, प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज। Advantage. It helps investor to assess the performance periodically and make change to their investment strategies if such analysis warrants. This helps in comparing not just portfolio against a benchmark for return perspective, but also to understand the risk undertaken to earn such return, which enable investor to derive the risk adjusted return. इससे आगे आ जाता है कंक्लूजन. पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस इज एन indispensable part of investment management and should be undertaken periodically to identify and improve any deviation above against the investment objective. इससे आगे है स्ट्रैटेजिक बिजनेस यूनिट SBU definition. Strategic business unit implies an independently managed division of a large company having its own vision, mission, and objectives whose planning is done separately from other business of the company. The vision, mission, and objective of the division are both distinct from the parent enterprise and elemental to the long-term performance of the enterprise. इससे अगला स्टेप है सिंपली पुट एन SBU is a cluster of associated businesses which are responsible for its combined planning treatment. The company engaged in a diversified range of businesses categories its multitude of businesses into a few separate divisions in a scientific way. The task may include analysis and bifurcation of a variety of businesses. आगे आ जाता है characteristic of a strategic business unit. Separate business or grouping of similar businesses offering scope of autonomous planning, concept of competitors, a manager who is accountable for strategic planning, profitable and performance of the division. A strategic business unit is specially formed to target a particular market segment which requires expertise in production or management not present in the parent company. Strategic business unit structure. President, corporate marketing, corporate R&D, corporate planning, corporate production, corporate human resources. SBU A and SBU B. Division. इससे अगला step है the structure of SBU consists of operating units, wherein the units serve as an autonomous business. The top corporate officer assign the responsibilities of the business to the manager for the regular operation and business unit strategy. In this way, the structure company's relative division of business into the strategic business unit, and the senior executive is empowered for taking decision for each unit. The senior executive work under the supervision of a chief executive officer. There are 3 levels in a strategic business unit, wherein the corporate headquarters remain at the top, SBUs in the middle, and division clustered by similarity within each SBU remain at the bottom. Hence, the division within the SBU are associated with each other, and the SBU groups are independent of each other. A business portfolio is a company's set of investment, holding, product, business, and brand. A product portfolio is a product list of the market segment. Market penetration. Market penetration is a measure of how much a product or services is being used by customer compared to the total estimate market for that product or services. Market penetration can also be used in developing strategies employed to increase in the market share of particular product or services. For example, launching a new product into the market is another market penetration example that can be used for growing a business. Companies tend to generate a lot of hype amongst their target market when it comes to releasing new products. Market development. Market development is a growth strategy that involves selling your exciting product or services to a new group of customers. For example, let's say your software company has a new product offering available. In order to come up with a market development strategy, you need to research who the new product would work best for and the best way to target them. Product development. Diversification. Benefits. Planning cross-functional. Implementing the market plan. Set realistic expectations for your marketing strategy. Review your marketing plan. Identify resources. Get project planning software. Document the marketing strategy. Create workflow. Manage your marketing project. Measure results. Thank you.